these are the key formulas for this chapter and for this quiz. On the top, we have the slope-intercept form of a line equation, linear equation. This is your output, x is your input, and all these, same thing, x is input, y is output. M is your slope. So one thing we need to remember is m is always going to be kind of our slope in all of these formulas, okay? And b, in this case, in our slope-intercept form, is our y-intercept. Alright, now, sometimes questions ask you to put it into a certain form and we need to know what they're talking about. So if they ask you to put it into slope-intercept form, this is the format we want it. If they ask you to put it into standard form, we need to have ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are not fractions and not decimals. They got to be whole numbers. Okay, this is standard form here in the middle. On the bottom, we have point slope form. M, as we just talked about, is our slope. So that goes right there. And x1, y1 is a coordinate point on the line. So it can really be any point. If they give you more than one point, you can just use either one of them. Doesn't matter. So kind of a coordinate point, x1, y1. This x and this y should remain as input outputs, just as x and y's. Last formula that we're going to need to know is how to find slope given 2 points. Here's m, which is our slope, and we have our y coordinates being subtracted on the top of this fraction, and on the bottom of the fraction we have the y coordinates. And the way to remember this is that slope is rise over run, or we talked about it being the change in y over the change in x. So change would be calculated by subtraction. So this formula is also very important. But these are the top three are the three line equation forms.